In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use rules in Outlook Desktop and New Outlook. Rules help you automatically organize and act on incoming mail so your inbox stays manageable without constant manual sorting. Let's start with Classic Outlook on Windows. If you want the quickest way to create a rule from a message you're looking at, right-click the email, choose Rules, then Create Rule. In the dialog, pick your condition, such as messages from a specific person or messages where the subject contains certain words. Next, choose what should happen, like move the item to a folder. If you want Outlook to tidy up your existing messages right away, check Run this new rule now on messages already in the current folder, then click OK. That immediately applies your choices and turns the rule on for future mail. For more flexibility in Classic Outlook, go to the File tab and select Manage Rules Alerts. Click New Rule. You can start from a template or choose a blank rule to build it yourself. Define your conditions to tell Outlook who, what, or when the rule should look for. Then set the actions, such as moving messages, flagging them, or forwarding them. Give the rule a clear name so you'll recognize it later, review the summary, and finish the setup. This view is handy when you want to edit existing rules as your needs change. Now, let's switch to the new Outlook experience. From a message, you can build a quick rule with just a couple clicks. Right-click the email, select Rules, then always move messages from this sender to choose an existing folder or create a new one, and click OK. From now on, mail from that sender will land right where you want it. For advanced options in New Outlook, click the Settings gear, go to Mail, then Rules. If you use multiple accounts, make sure you're viewing the correct one. Select Add New Rule, give it a descriptive name, add your conditions such as subject or body include specific text and choose an action like Move to Folder. Create the destination folder if you don't have it yet, then save. Your rule is active and will run automatically on incoming messages. Use these approaches to keep important mail visible and routine messages neatly filed, so your attention stays on what matters most. Thanks for watching.